In the world of supercars, few names stir the soul quite like Lamborghini. Known for raw power, dramatic design, and a driving experience that borders on madness, the brand has built a legacy on machines that feel alive. Now, that legacy enters a bold new era with the Lamborghini Temerario, a hybrid supercar that doesn't just carry the torch from the Huracan but redefines what the future of Italian performance looks like. This is not merely an evolution, it's a revolution designed to balance tradition, technology, and emotion in one extraordinary package. At first glance, the Temerario commands attention with an exterior that is unmistakably Lamborghini yet sharper, sleeker, and more aggressive than anything before it. The yellow paintwork glows under the showroom lights, emphasizing the angular lines, razor-edged aerodynamics, and the sheer sense of drama woven into its silhouette. Every vent, crease, and contour has been shaped for both function and intimidation. The signature Y-shaped headlights, wide stance, and low-slung profile give it a predator's posture, ready to pounce. It doesn't just sit in a showroom, it owns the space around it. Step closer and the details emerge. The front splitter and sculpted intakes are crafted not just for looks but to channel air with surgical precision. The side profile reveals muscular haunches and aerodynamic sculpting that speaks to both power and elegance. At the rear, the design culminates in sharp taillights, quad exhausts, and an aggressive diffuser, reminding anyone behind it that this is a Lamborghini built to dominate. Every angle screams speed, but what makes the Temerario more than a design masterpiece is what lies beneath its skin. Powering the Temerario is a groundbreaking hybrid setup that blends the thrill of a new twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 with the instant torque of 3 electric motors. Alone, the V8 produces close to 790 horsepower at a screaming 10,000 revolutions per minute, a rarity in the turbocharged world. Combined with the electric motors, total output surges to over 900 horsepower. The result is an explosive cocktail of performance and precision, delivering the kind of acceleration that makes your heart race before your brain can process it. 0 to 100 km per hour happens in just 2.7 seconds, and the top speed stretches past 340 km per hour, firmly planting the Temerario in the upper echelon of hypercar performance. Yet this Lamborghini is not about numbers alone. It's about how those numbers translate into an emotional experience behind the wheel. The hybrid system doesn't dilute the drive, it amplifies it. Instant torque from the electric motors fills in every gap in power delivery, making throttle response immediate and addictive. The torque vectoring system sharpens handling, pulling the car into corners with precision that feels more like science fiction than engineering. Modes such as Strada, Sport, and Casa transform the character of the car, from refined daily usability to track-ready aggression. There's even a drift mode, reminding us that Lamborghini never forgets how to have fun. Inside, the Temerario continues its mission of blending innovation with drama. The cockpit feels like stepping into the future of driving, with a fully digital display that responds fluidly to the chosen drive mode, bathed in crisp graphics and racing-inspired design. Carbon fiber and Alcantara dominate the interior, giving it a lightweight, purposeful feel while still exuding luxury. The seats hug the driver and passenger with precision, balancing comfort for longer drives with support for high-G cornering. The steering wheel, wrapped in Alcantara and finished with signature Lamborghini details, puts every control within reach, ensuring the driver is always connected to the machine. From the dashboard to the stitching, the craftsmanship speaks to the obsessive detail Lamborghini puts into every creation. But what truly makes the Temerario remarkable is the duality it offers. In city driving, the electric motors allow for smooth, quiet, zero-emission cruising, making this the most approachable Lamborghini ever for urban environments. Switch into hybrid or performance modes, and the car transforms instantly, unleashing its V8 symphony while blending in the electric surge for relentless forward momentum. This adaptability ensures the Temerario is not confined to the track or open road, it's versatile enough to be lived with while still carrying the spirit of a raging bull. Of course, the Temerario is not without challenges. The hybrid system adds weight, and purists may argue the departure from a naturally aspirated V10 sacrifices some of the brand's character. Yet Lamborghini has proven that evolution doesn't have to mean compromise. Instead, it means embracing new technology while keeping the emotion intact. The scream of the V8 at 10,000 revolutions per minute, the visceral shove of the electric motors, and the sheer presence of the car combine to create something that is authentically Lamborghini, yet undeniably futuristic. The Lamborghini Temerario is more than just the successor to the Huracan, it is a statement of intent. It proves that performance, passion, and sustainability can coexist in the same breathtaking machine. In yellow, under the lights of a luxury showroom, it doesn't just reflect the future of Lamborghini, it reflects the future of supercars themselves. This is a car built not only to be driven but to be felt, to stir emotions, and to push boundaries. With the Temerario, Lamborghini has crafted a masterpiece that honors its past while boldly embracing tomorrow, and in doing so, has ensured that the legend of the Raging Bull roars louder than ever before.